everyone, thank you for joining us today with DIYne at Pizza 9. Today we are going to make two pizzas. The first one is going to be a s'more pizza. Even though it's fall time now, that doesn't mean we still can't enjoy a summer treat. And then the second pizza I'm going to show you how to make is our double dish deluxe pizza. So let's go ahead and get started. So here is our fresh dough here today. Today I figured we'd try and do a chocolate stuffed crust pizza. So let's go ahead and get that ready here. I am so excited for this pizza. I've never made it before, but I think it's gonna turn out really yummy. We're just gonna go ahead and take the dough and fold it over. Let's pinch down the dough a little bit, that way the chocolate stays inside as the pizza bakes. But if it leaks through, it's not the end of the world. All right, so now our chocolate is nicely tucked away. Just to add a little more flavor to the crust, we're gonna go ahead and add some butter and brown sugar. So here's a little bit of butter that we're gonna drizzle to the top here. That way when it bakes, it sort of gets that golden brown color, and then the brown sugar will be caramelized on top. And now, because we don't want our marshmallows to burn, we're gonna go ahead and partially bake the crust and then put the rest of our toppings on. So we have our partially baked crust fresh out of the oven. So let's go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. So some more chocolate for the base. It's gonna act like our pizza sauce today. So now we are gonna put our marshmallows on top, and then we are gonna finish baking our crust all the way, just until the marshmallows are a nice golden brown. Oops, runaway marshmallow there. All right, let's pop this pizza back in the oven. So our marshmallows are fully toasted, so we're gonna go ahead and crush some of our graham crackers on top, because you can't have s'mores without graham crackers. So we're just sort of making this up as we go, but I think it's gonna taste delicious. Now let's drizzle some hot fudge on top. I think it's gonna be a little messy when we cut into it, but that's okay. A secret is to start from the middle, that way you don't lose too much of your toppings as you cut the pizza. Cut through that chocolate stuffed crust. Let's taste it now. Oh no, my marshmallows are falling off. I'm definitely gonna have to make this again. Really messy, but so good. Now that I think I've gotten all the chocolate off my face from the s'more pizza, let's go ahead and make our double dish deluxe pizza. So if you are a true fan of Chicago pizza, this is the closest thing we have to the deep dish that you are more familiar with. It is our double dish pizza, so it's an extra deep dish pizza with all your favorite toppings. Everyone's favorite topping, pepperoni, is going down first. So now let's top our mushrooms in here, our onions. By the time we're done with this pizza, it's gonna look like a rainbow. Our deluxe pizza is actually our most popular pizza here at Pizza 9. So if you haven't tried it double dish style, I definitely recommend it. Let's go ahead and add some cheese. We will see this in a minute again when everything is baked to perfection. All right, now that our pizza is out of the oven, it's time to add the last finishing ingredients. We did put some garlic butter on the crust, So that's what's giving it that shiny golden tint. But let's go ahead and top it with our marinara sauce. And it is warm, so that's why you see steam popping up. But let's go ahead and add some to the top. I'm gonna spread it out with my marinara ladle that I have here. We might add a little bit more. Let's spread this out. And then we are going to add the finishing touch. Our secret shake recipe. Sorry, but we're keeping it a secret. And there you have it, our double dish deluxe pizza. Let's go ahead and taste it. It's a little messy like the s'more pizza, but again, delicious. Thank you all again for joining us for this episode of DIYne with Pizza 9. Let us know in the comments below what you think of the recipes. If you try them at home, we want to know that too. And let us know what we should do next. We're open to ideas. Thank you. Bye.